The good news about Jesus has gone to Mark chapter 11 from verse 1 to verse 19. Jesus ride going to Jerusalem. Jesus and him follower them did reach near Jerusalem. When them catch a Bethpage and Bethany a Mount Olive, Jesus sent two him follower them and said, go to the district in front of you. As you not catch this up, when we find one young donkey when nobody never ride yet, tie up there. Loose it and carry it home. If nobody asks you, when make you loose it, tell them say, the Lord want it and him soon send it back. The follower them left and find the young donkey tie up on the road in front of the door. So them loose it. When them did loose the young donkey, some people when they turn up there ask them say, make you loose the young donkey. Them answer how Jesus did say them for answer, and the people make them go on with it. So then carry the donkey, go give Jesus, put them jacket pan him, and Jesus sit down pan him. Enough people spread them jacket pan the road, and some of them chop bush and spread them pan the road. The one them will go in front, and the one them will follow back at Jesus did a call out, praise God. God bless the one where come for rule in a Father David kingdom. Praise God where they are heaven. When Jesus reached Jerusalem, him go in a God's house. After him look round for everything, him and him 12 followers them left go Bethany cause it is late already. Jesus cursed one fig tree. When Jesus and him follower them left Bethany the next morning, him did hungry. Jesus see one fig tree little out from where them did there. It did cover up with leaf, so him go for see if no fig upon it. But he never find none, cause I never fig time yet. So him said to the tree, from now on, nobody now go ever nyam fig from you again. And him follower them ear when he says so. Jesus run some people out of God's house. After Jesus and him follower them reach Jerusalem, him go in a God's house and start fling out all of the people them where did in there a buy and a sell. The people them where did a change out money. Jesus pitch over for them table and turn over the chair for all who did there a sell dove. And he wouldn't make nobody carry goods going in the yard with God's house there. After this, him start teach the people them. Him say, it not right down in a God word say, for me house, I go be one house where people from all over the world come for pray. But you take it turn one hideout for thief. The head priest and the law teacher them hear what Jesus say, and they start look for one way to kill him, cause them did afraid of him, cause he did a teach so good it did shock the whole crowd of people. In the evening, Jesus and him follower them left the city. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.